Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is liquid nano urea. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, Prime Minister Modi officially inaugurated the country's first liquid nano urea plant at Kalol during his visit to Gujarat. Now let's discuss about liquid nano urea. It is urea in the form of a nanoparticle. Urea is a chemical nitrogen fertilizer and is white in color. It artificially provides nitrogen, a major nutrient required by plants. It is aimed at reducing the unbalanced and indiscriminate use of conventional urea and can curtail the requirement of the same by at least 50%. It also aims to increase crop productivity and reduce soil, water and air pollution. While conventional urea has an efficiency of about 25%, the efficiency of liquid nano urea can be as high as 85 to 90%. It has been indigenously developed at IFFCO's Nano Biotechnology Research Center, Kalol, Gujarat. It is in line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Atmanirbhar Krishi. Now let's understand how does it work. Liquid nano urea is sprayed directly on the leaves and gets absorbed by the plant. Fertilizers in nano form provide a targeted supply of nutrients to crops. Liquid nano urea has a shelf life of a year. Thus, farmers need not to be worried about caking when it comes in contact with moisture. According to IFFCO, liquid nano urea contains 4% total nitrogen evenly dispersed in water. The size of a nano nitrogen particle varies from 20 to 50 nanometer. A nanometer is equal to a billionth of a meter. Now let's have a look at some other key points. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, that is IFFCO Limited, one of India's biggest cooperative societies, which is wholly owned by Indian cooperatives, was founded in 1967. IFFCO commissioned the Kalol liquid nano urea plant, the country's first, in August 2021. IFFCO is setting up additional facilities for production of nano fertilizers. These are at Aonla, Phulpur, Bengaluru, Paradip, Kandla, Devghar and Guwahati. These units will have a production capacity of 2 lakh bottles per day. According to IFFCO, a bottle of the nano urea can effectively replace at least 1 bag of urea. Now moving on to the significance. It increases production with improved nutritional quality. It will boost a balanced nutrition program by reducing the excess use of urea application in the soil. It will make the crops stronger, healthier and protect them from lodging effects. Lodging is the bending over of the stems near ground level of grain crops, which makes them very difficult to harvest. It will also have a huge positive impact on the quality of underground water. It is easy on the pocket of farmers and will be effective in increasing farmers' income. It will also significantly bring down the cost of logistics and warehousing. India is dependent on imports of the fertilizer and the government has to provide huge subsidies on conventional fertilizers. Liquid nano urea carries no burden of subsidy currently. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements with reference to the liquid nano urea. 1. Urea is a chemical nitrogen fertilizer and is blue in color. 2. It carries no burden of subsidy currently. 3. It is sprayed directly on the leaves and gets absorbed by the plant. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.